Are you wondering how to make a cute little door for your gnome garden? Well, this video tutorial will go and teach you how to make 3 different doors that are absolutely adorable for your gnome garden outside or inside. So let's go and get started. To make all of these little gnome doors, you're going to need a bunch of popsicle sticks. Go and line a couple popsicle sticks together. Make sure they are relatively straight and take out any of the ones that maybe bend up, have a couple little broken pieces on them, and don't really lay against each other. They don't need to be fully and totally straight, but you do want them to line up pretty well. Cut a popsicle stick in half, have just about 5 or 6 popsicle sticks lined up, and then glue 2 pieces to the back. I am using wood glue, and that is probably what you should be using as well. Now on to the second door when that one dries. Make sure to go and remove any popsicle sticks that might have possible indents, issues, or they just don't fully and totally sit straight. And you're going to be cutting 4 of these. 2 of them you're going to be cutting the same size. So line up the one piece that you just cut. It should be just about 1/4 of a popsicle stick. Cut that. And now you have 2 pieces that are the same size. From there, what you're going to go and do is you're going to take 2 more popsicle sticks. Now it really helps if you take these 2 popsicle sticks and line them up and mark them with a pair of scissors before you go and cut them. These should be just slightly longer than the other 2 that you cut. After both of those pieces are cut, take a small piece of a popsicle stick that is already cut, probably a scrap piece that you have off to the side, and glue these 4 pieces together. Make sure they're lined up pretty well. Now we're going to move on to the last one. You're going to go and cut 3 pieces that are pretty much the same exact length. These should be just about 3/4 of a piece of a popsicle stick. Keep any of the little extra pieces, put them off to the side for other crafts that you're going to go and do, and then the 2 at the side should be just about half of the length of a popsicle stick. Now round out the edges. One side probably is already rounded, but if it's not, round out all of the edges. Take one of the scrap pieces that you had, put wood glue onto it, and then go and secure it into the middle of all of these popsicle sticks. Make sure all the popsicle sticks are touching together. There can be a little space. Now after this first one is dry, you're going to go prep it with some water, and then you're going to go and use a light brown paint. This is watered down acrylic paint, and what you're going to do is just pretty much stack the colors, create some little lines, make it darker on the top portion, and then after that is done, you're going to go back into the center and make some little lines as well along with at the edges. These other 2 little ones, I'm just giving them a very small amount of a brown stain. You can also do the same thing that you did before, but I want these to just be a little different. Do not forget to add some tiny little doorknobs. After all of them are dry, go and find some nooks that are outside on the bottom of trees. These little doors are a perfect addition to your gnome garden, and they are also adorable and easy to make. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I do post DIY tutorials like this every Friday.